Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. Ask Me Anything on Personal Finance continues. A viewer from YouTube sent across this question. He asked, Deepak, I have got some investments in NSC, National Savings Certificates, and I am in urgent need of money. I approached the post office and asked them to prematurely withdraw money from that investment. They are not allowing me to do so, saying that it comes with a lock-in and that lock-in cannot be broken, which means I am unable to withdraw my own money from my own investment in NSC. Please help. Let's understand what an NSC is, how it works. NSC, National Savings Certificate, available by the Government of India through post offices, wherein you can put any amount of money, no upper limit. It comes with a fixed duration of 5 years and a fixed rate of interest. Now, NSC, in addition to this, also qualifies for tax deduction under 80C of the Income Tax Act. Any investment which gives you 80C benefit comes with a lock-in. In NSC, the lock-in is 5 years, which is the duration of the scheme. If you want to prematurely redeem or break it, it is not allowed. You cannot break it in between. Having said that, if you are in urgent need of money and you cannot get it from somewhere else, you can use this NSC to pledge it. You can take a loan on this NSC, and no, it's not the post office which will give it to you. You will have to go to your bank. To the bank, you will place these NSCs, pledge them, transfer it to the bank's name by filling in a form. The post office will transfer your NSCs to the name of the bank. The bank will give you a loan against those national savings certificates, depending upon the period which is left at maturity. If you are able to pay back that loan which you took, the NSCs will get retransferred to your name. If for whatever reason at maturity you haven't paid back this loan which you took from the bank will actually go to the post office and encash these NSCs and will take your money. So if you are in urgent need of money and you want to take money out of NSC, the only way is to take a loan against it from your bank